Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're building a cool DIY project, a portable door handle alarm. This is perfect for apartments, dorms, or even hotels, offering a simple and effective way to deter entry. So, what are we building? An alarm that hangs on your doorknob. When someone turns the knob, it triggers a loud buzzer. The beauty of this project is its simplicity and portability. Let's talk components. You'll need a small box. This could be a plastic project box. Next, a 9-volt battery and connector to power the circuit. The heart of the alarm is a tilt switch. You can find these at most electronics stores or online. Alternatively, we'll show you how to make a simple homemade tilt switch. Next, you'll need a buzzer or a small siren. This will be the alarm's sound-making component. Finally, you'll need wires, a soldering iron optional, and basic tools. Now, let's build it. First, prepare the box. Drill holes for the buzzer, tilt switch, and wires. Secure the pre-made tilt switch or place the ball, bearing and wires inside for a homemade one. Now, wire the circuit. The circuit is straightforward. Connect one wire from the positive battery terminal to one side of the tilt switch. Then, connect the other side of the tilt switch to one terminal of the buzzer. Finally, connect the remaining terminal of the buzzer to the negative battery terminal. Solder the connections or use wire connectors. Once wired, test the alarm. Tilt the box, the buzzer should sound. If not, double-check your wiring. Once it works, close the box. To use it, hang it on the doorknob. Make sure any movement of the doorknob triggers the switch. The alarm should scare off intruders and alert you. This DIY door handle alarm is an excellent, affordable security solution. It's portable, effective, and easy to build. Remember, this isn't a replacement for comprehensive security. Stay aware of your surroundings, and consider additional security options. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more DIY projects and share this video. Stay safe, and see you next time.